Hi, I am computer system. I am installed with some system software and application software. Hi, I am program. I want to execute. Oh, you want to execute? Are you staying at the main memory? Yes, of course. Okay, I'm calling my system software. Please talk to her. Hello, system software.
Yes, coming. Tell me what I do for you.
I want to execute in your system. I am in high-level language.
Are you with some macros or file inclusions or with some conditional compilation code?
Not clear. What is that? Please clear me.
Okay, actually I told you three things. Whether are you with any file inclusion. File inclusion means if there is any header files to you, so that you have include like has include stdio.h, conio.h, something like that. Or secondly I told you, if you have any macros like has defined pi is equal to 3.14 like this. And thirdly I told you, if there is any conditional compilation code. And conditional compilation codes are like the has if def, has if and if, has else, etc. If you are with that, then you have to first pass through the preprocessor.
Yes, I am with that.
So you first pass through the preprocessor.
Okay, no problem.
Hello preprocessor. Hi, I am preprocessor. I will take the input in high level language with macro and file inclusions or with some conditional compilation code like in the C program, and the extension should be .c extension, and I will give you the output by expanding all these macros, and the extension should be .i extension. Okay, come on program and pass through me.
Now I am in a pure high-level language and my extension is a .i extension.
Now you have to pass through the compiler. Please compiler, come. Hi everyone. Today I am the chief guest. Actually, I can take the .i extension as an input. That means the file format should be .i and my output should be .asm file format, so that you can pass through the assembler.
Now I am .asm extension. Luckily I have no errors. What I can do now?
You have to pass through the assembler. Hello assembler. Hi, I am assembler. I will take an input in .asm format and produce output in .obj file format. So please program .asm, pass through me.
Now again I am in defined format, means I am in .obj format. What I should do now?
Hello linker, you come and complete your responsibility. I am linker. I will link between the defined object modules, also with the defined library functions, and after I will transfer you in .exe and store that into the secondary memory.
What I do if I transfer to a secondary memory? How the CPU will execute me? As CPU can only access the primary memory.
Don't think. That's our responsibility. Okay, fine. Then linker, you do your job first. Okay, completed. Hello loader, program.exe in the secondary memory Please load him to the primary memory in the same .txt format. Hi, I am loader. I load .txt file from the secondary memory to primary memory. I do not change the file extension. So I am loading program.txt from the secondary memory to primary memory. Okay. Okay, done.
Hi everyone. Thank you for taking me back in the main memory.
Hello CPU. Now you execute the program.
Okay, I'm doing. Yes, it is done. I hope it is clear to you what are the different intermediate states for executing a program. Thank you.